the three types of carabiner. So if you use this type of carabiner and you attach it to the implement, it's very easy and comes on and off quite easily. Then you've got this type of carabiner, which you have to unscrew. Again, this comes on and off very easily. But this type of carabiner, I find, has damaged the cables, because if you look at it, it has quite sharp edges, and then what it does is it frays, and that's going to wear down quite a lot. So best type, this one. This is acceptable, don't use this type.